Faster, easier, more efficient. New Bagar Airliss range. A range of spray-applied plasters which are compatible with Airless machines. The Airless technology is perfectly suited for leveling and skim coating jobs. Application is fast, with no wasted material. Preparation times are reduced due to the accuracy of the jet, which gives a cleaner finish. Airless spraying machines are small and very easy to handle on site. The delivery gun is light and easy to handle. Airless technology, together with Bagar Airliss products, are very efficient for multi-level jobs. The machine doesn't have to be moved from one floor to another. Airless technology is very versatile. The same machine can be used to paint the substrate. Faster, easier, more efficient. New Bagar Airliss range. A range of ready mixed plasters that are compatible with Airless application. Bagar Airliss range has been specially developed for mechanical Airless application. It is suitable for all finishing work on new build or renovation sites. Bagar Airliss G is suitable for both regular and irregular substrates. It provides excellent adhesion. The product's viscosity allows a very easy application and smooth finish. Manually or mechanically applied, Bagar Airliss G is very easy to sand. The fine grain and pure white colour guarantees a high quality finish. Bagar Airliss G could also be manually applied. For new or smooth substrates, Bagar Airliss F gives a quick and easy application, with no need for smoothing. Bagar Airliss F dries a brilliant white finish. The Bagar Airliss range also includes the specially designed Bagar Airliss SG leveler, the Bagar Airliss C special skim coating product, and Bagar Airliss J, a multi-use product suitable for skim coating and as a joining compound. Visit our website for more information about the Bagar Airliss range.